Welcome to our roundup of the best centrifugal juicers for home use this year. Whether you're aiming to boost your daily nutrient intake, kickstart a healthy lifestyle, or simply enjoy a refreshing glass of juice, we've handpicked the top centrifugal juicers that deliver speed, efficiency, and ease of use, all designed to make your juicing experience smoother and more enjoyable. We'll break down each juicer's key features like motor power, feed chute size, juice yield, ease of cleaning, and durability, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen and lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate centrifugal juicer for you. Starting at number 5 is the Omega Centrifugal Juicer, a brand renowned for its commitment to quality and innovation in kitchen appliances. This juicer is ideal for those who want a balance between performance and affordability. It features a powerful motor, capable of handling a variety of fruits and vegetables with ease. The wide feed chute allows for less prep time, accommodating larger pieces of produce. Its stainless steel blade ensures durability and consistent juicing performance. Users appreciate its compact design, making it suitable for kitchens with limited counter space. However, some have noted that it may not be as efficient with leafy greens compared to other models. Overall, it's a solid choice for home users seeking reliable performance without a hefty price tag. Next up is the Breville the 3X Centrifugal Blusser, perfect for those who want versatility in their kitchen appliances. Breville is known for blending functionality with sleek design, and this model is no exception. It includes cold spin technology, which minimizes heat transfer to preserve nutrients. The 3.5-inch extra-wide chute allows for whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced without pre-cutting. With 10 precision speed settings and 5 one-touch programs, you can extract fresh juice straight into a high-capacity 50-ounce blender jug and create delicious fresh juices, slushies, smoothies, cocktails, and much more. Users love its versatility and the ability to juice and blend in one appliance. Some drawbacks include its larger footprint, which may require more counter space, and the higher price point. Ideal for users looking for a multifunctional appliance that combines juicing and blending capabilities. Coming in at number 3 is the NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer, a brand known for its user-friendly designs and efficient performance. This model is perfect for those who want a straightforward juicing experience without the complexity. It features a 1,000-watt motor, offering 3 speed settings to handle various types of produce. The stainless steel blade ensures durability and efficient juicing. Its compact design makes it suitable for kitchens with limited space. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro is praised for its ease of use and quick cleanup, with dishwasher-safe parts. However, some users have mentioned that it may not be as effective with leafy greens. Best suited for beginners or those looking for an affordable, no-fuss juicer. At number 2, we have the Magic Bullet Mini Centrifugal Juicer, designed for those who want a compact and portable juicing solution. Magic Bullet is known for its space-saving designs, and this model is ideal for small kitchens or individuals with limited storage. It boasts a 400-watt motor, extracting all the juicy nutrition from your favorite fruits and veggies. A roomy 2-inch feed chute fits larger chunks of your favorite ingredients, reducing prep time. The top-rack dishwasher-safe attachments and a silicone spout cap that catches drips before they hit your countertop make cleanup a breeze. Users appreciate its compact size and affordability, making it a great choice for those with limited space or budget. Some limitations include its smaller juice capacity, which may require more frequent juicing sessions. Best suited for individuals or small households looking for a portable and budget-friendly juicer. Finally, at number 1 is the Hamilton Beach Centrifugal Juicer, a premium model that offers top features, high performance, and smart capabilities. Hamilton Beach is widely regarded for producing high-quality, innovative kitchen tools, making this scale ideal for professional chefs, fitness enthusiasts, and meticulous bakers. It includes precision sensors, multiple weighing units, and a high-contrast LCD display, making it simple to read and use in any kitchen environment. The scale also features a tempered glass platform, a large weighing surface, and a tare function for exact ingredient measurements. Its slim, modern design ensures it fits on counters effortlessly while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Additional conveniences include auto-off, overload protection, and battery-efficient operation. This product shines for its accuracy, ease of use, durable design, and sleek appearance, offering a superior experience for those who demand the best in precision and functionality. Some users note that the price is higher than basic models, but the performance, reliability, and long-term value justify the investment. If you want the most precise, versatile, and durable kitchen scale for home or professional use, this is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best centrifugal juicers this year. From the budget-friendly Omega, to the versatile Breville the 3X Blusser, the efficient NutriBullet Juicer Pro, the compact Magic Bullet Mini, and the premium Hamilton Beach Centrifugal Juicer. There's a juicer for every user type, room, or situation. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect juicer for your needs today. Thanks for watching.